Form follows function defines modernism, then form follows feeling defines postmodernism, a movement where architects reinterpret classical order through emotion.
Bordering Atherton's quiet grace, a dream reborn in a timeless place, built before the new millennium glow, where light and structure softly flow. Columns rise, the skylight breathes.
325 East Oakwood stands as a paradigm of that vision. Its symmetry, columnar rhythm, 30-foot atrium, and ocular skylight exemplify how structure, proportion, and light can embody warmth, intimacy, grandeur, and modern luxury.
Every shadow finds its tone, a house of heart, a living stone.
這是一個跟着感覺走的建築，呢度結構有情，光影成詩。
Symmetry sings in every stone, from fire to garden, the space is alive. Architecture whispering time. A chef's granite kitchen anchors the core. Two staircases mirror the floor. One to a suite of marble calm, the other to rooms where the stars are drawn. Between the wings, a loft of air, 30 feet high, reflections there. Outside, a pool and greenhouse grow. Seasons turn, the soft winds blow. Light and proportion, soul and stone. A poem in space that feels like home. Every line designed to feel, every beam a heart revealed. Multi-zone comfort, wine to store, peace within a two-car door.
What a beautiful blend of scale, light, and soul, wrapped in a resort-style backyard. Come and take a look. I hope you like it.
10,000 feet of quiet grace, just steps from Atherton's embrace. If light and structure speak your name, this East Oakwood mansion is where
這麼高大上的房子，你心動了嗎？我希望你會心動。Buying or selling a home? Just say when.
dreams remain.